Welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a new clothing subscription called DRAPE FIT. About a month ago, somebody reached out to me and said, hey, how'd you like to try DRAPE FIT? We'll send you $20 off and you can try it out. I thought about it and I was like, why not? I hate to shop. I hate to go to the mall. Malls and I don't have a good reputation. My nearest mall is an hour away. An hour away. By the time I get there, I want to eat, and then, after I eat, I'm almost tired and ready to go home. So basically, me and clothing shopping, we don't get along. So DRAPE FIT seemed like an interesting concept, so I tried it out. I was super excited about this fit. I love the way the pants feel, and I could just tell they would be comfortable, but there's a huge problem, and that's that I can only get them up to here. Can't zip them, can't button them, so sadly, they have to go back. So I'm bummed about that. Thankfully, ooh, stretchy. They fit in the front, fit in the back, makes me feel cute and sassy. Thankfully, DRAPE FIT saved the day. They sent me these awesome jeans that have these cute, long bell bottoms. I never thought I'd wear something like this, but I love it. Hopefully you can see it. Yes, so DRAPE FIT 10/10. I like this so much. So let me go see what else we got. So here is the long sleeve blouse, or jersey or shirt. I don't know what they called it. Anyway, first thing for me is that the neckline is too high. If it had like a scoop neck or a lower neckline, I could totally do it. Then it just sort of drapes over my lovely muffin, and I feel kind of, I can't do it. So sorry, DRAPE FIT, this one's going back. Ba-doom, ta-da. So this one is a hit. Black is one of my favorite colors in clothing, and it has a V-neck. So, and little buttons that I can unbutton further just to feel a little alive. And I like the way it fits. It doesn't cling anywhere awkward. And generally it goes with the beautiful jeans. It's a 10/10. Keeper. Whee! Oh, I love it. So lastly, we have this beautiful summer dress, and it makes me feel cute. I don't know if I look cute or not. You can leave a comment down below, but it works for me. So another 10/10. Thank you, DRAPE FIT. So where were we before I was rudely interrupted by a dead battery? I forget to charge things. Inside the box was also the invoice that shows how much everything was. The plus size floral ruffle tank was $28.50. That's this. I love it. That one's a keeper. The next thing was the plus size floral print sleeveless blouse. That's this one. Super cute. Another keeper. And then the next thing is the plus size high waist flare jeggings. That was this. And that's another keeper. I absolutely love them. Definitely can't wait to go wear those out. I could see myself at a concert, and I'll feel like I'm hip. Then the next thing, let's see here, women's cozy up French terry long sleeve top. That was $28.50. So this one is $28.50. And unfortunately, even though it's super soft, I just can't do the, you know, the way the neck is. Just, no. So sadly, this one's a return. So I'm gonna put this back for return. And then the next thing was the metal curved chevron earrings. The metal curved chevron earrings. Here they are, and that's what they look like till I get holes in my ears. They're going back also. Those were $19. Then we have the plus size high waist solid stretch jeans that were red. Those are $32. And oh my God, I loved them. But sadness, they don't fit. I mean, this company doesn't have what my size really is. And there was a big difference between this pair of jeans and this one in just the waist in general. You can basically see that it's like that much off. So I don't know where they're getting at. So this is a keeper, this one's not. Plus size floral midi dress. I'm wearing it. I'm in it. I love it. So, of course, this one's a keeper. So, since I love it, I'm gonna keep it. If I had decided to keep everything, my total would have been $178.85. But because I'm returning things, and I also was gifted this DRAPE FIT coupon, which was for $20. I added that in, and my total for the things I'm keeping, the dress, the pair of jeans, and the 2 blouses, is $108.64. I'm going to justify this because I didn't have to drive to the mall for 6 hours, and it's only an hour, but it would feel like 6 hours, and didn't have to go to a nice fancy restaurant to eat because, you know, you have to have nourishment for shopping. And I didn't have to wander the mall for hours and hours looking at stuff that's not going to fit and is going to ultimately depress me. So this box made me happy. I'm actually excited about ordering another one. And thank you to my stylist. This was really fun, a lot funner than I expected it to be. I'm going to leave some links down in the description below so that if you're deciding to get a DRAPE FIT box of your own, go for it. I say, you know, what do you have to lose? I think if you don't have a box delivered, they charge you $1 a month. And I don't know, for me, it really makes sense. I hate to leave the house, and, you know, it just comes to me, and I don't have to do all the hard, heavy lifting of sorting through racks and looking at things. Although I can still do that, but yeah, no. This is cool. Once again, links down in the description. If you want one, you know, if you do, you should totally post your video and send it to me. I would love to see what you get, because this is really cool. Oh, and I almost forgot. This is how you send back the things that they send you. You basically, it's a prepaid envelope, and you just put the items back in, and it's USPS. So you just, you know, drive on over to the USPS store and drop it off. It's as easy as, I'm going to show you how easy it is. You just slide what you don't like. I got everything. Earrings in there. Yep. Slide it in there. Take off the, and boom. Boom shakalaka. My box. It's ready to go back. So that's super easy, right? See ya. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos. All right. Have a great day.